Hello boys, I am here with a new chapter, The Beggar, written by Anton Chekhov of your book, The Moments. The story The Beggar is written by Anton Chekhov, a Russian writer, playwright and a short story writer. The theme of the story is of change, dishonesty, alcoholism, kindness, compassion, desperation, struggle, selflessness, and gratitude. The main characters of the story are Lushkov, a cook Olga, and a lawyer and advocate Sergey. The most important character of the story is Lushkov. Due to alcoholism, Lushkov is no longer able to work and has to go for begging in order to survive, and he starts lying to people to get money from strangers. Sergey, an advocate, shows Lushkov a little compassion, believing that hard work will cure him of his homelessness and addiction to alcohol. Though Sergey's suggestion does not work for Lushkov, the kindness of Olga, who was Sergey's cook, changes his life and he gives up drinking. It is through listening and talking to Olga that Lushkov sees the error of his ways and is able to mend his life. Though it is true that Sergey takes all the credit for himself for the change in Lushkov, but actually it is Olga who should be given full credit for the compassion and kindness that she showed towards Lushkov. If it is not Olga, Lushkov's life would not have changed for the better. It is also worth noting that Sergey tries to take credit for helping Lushkov improve his life. Further in the story, Lushkov continued to lie to Olga about being unable to chop the wood and played on her good helping nature. Lushkov, because of his alcoholism, was unable to physically exert himself. It is also worth noting that though Sergey thinks he is acting out of charity, he is in fact gaining something. He is getting his wood chopped. He is not acting selflessly, though would like others to see him in that light. Whether it be chopping the wood or helping to move the furniture, he cleanses his soul by way of paying Lushkov and in many ways patronizing him. At no stage in the story is there a sense that Sergey understands Lushkov's alcoholism. is perhaps the most important character in the story. Because of her behavior, Lashkov changed. She helped Lashkov by chopping the wood and giving him advice on the evils of alcohol. Lashkov is grateful to Olga. One day, when he suddenly meets Sergei at the theater, despite the passing of time, he has not forgotten him, and at the same time, he has not forgotten all that Olga had done for him, which appears to come as a surprise to Sergei when he says and accepts that Olga had done a lot for him and helped him to change his life completely. He accepts that Olga's words and her noble deeds has set him on the right path. He is grateful to Olga as she has transformed his life. In this way, in this story, we can see that how a drunkard who started begging for his survival got completely changed and transformed due to the help and support of a woman named Olga. Thank you. God bless you.